Welcome or welcome back to another episode of Junk Journal July for 2026. So let's grab our junk journal and dive into the prompt for day 16, which is highlight. Hi guys, welcome back. So sorry for the inconsistent uploads this Junk Journal July on my part. I hope you are having fun with the challenge anyway, and I hope I will be able to catch up with all the editing and videos very, very soon. So I expect a bunch of Junk Journal July creative processes coming very, very soon. I'm just, in the middle of moving and did underestimate the time and effort it would take me. And then the creative parts of my daily life have to come a bit of a back burner. So sorry for being so inconsistent this Junk Journal July. Let's dive into the day where we took off, which is day 16, and the prompt of highlight. I did a little community tab and posting chronological was the win, so we will keep up with that and hopefully we'll catch up soon. I hope you have fun for day 27 of Junk Journal July anyways, and had some fun with the prompt of highlight. I'm so happy to see all your beautiful creations throughout the months. Even though I wasn't posting, I was having a peek at all of your beautiful creations, and thanks so much for keeping up with the challenge, even though I was slacking a bit. So sorry about that. So for highlight, I decided to just use a bunch of the different text highlighters for the spread, and I really wanted to draw a bit of a portrait for the spread to include into it. And first I thought I'd just draw a complete highlighter face, but then I kind of picked up my pencil and got lost the highlighter in a way, but I feel like it turned out okay, and there will be more highlighter parts coming very soon to this spread, so we don't lose the plot completely. So here I decided to incorporate a little highlighter star. I feel like I was still on the star shape mode from the day before, and I feel like I incorporated a lot of those, and here I did decide to add a little crown, as well as to the girl in the magazine picture I chose for the page of the day. And then I decided to add some stars, and kind of the highlighter wasn't really showing up as vibrant as I wanted it to be on the magazine page, so I will later on go in with a marker to make the crown for the girl more visible in a way. And here I'm just cutting out the bunch of different little stars I created. And I hope you are all doing well, and I hope you are not too disappointed in my lack of uploads lately, so sorry about that. I thought I would be able to keep it up while packing my life into boxes better than it turned out in the end. I don't know. I underestimated the amount of time and effort it would put. It would need to pack everything up in your life and root yourself to move. So there was no time to edit and fight my laptop just to getting a video up. So I'm sorry I felt so off and behind. So hopefully I will be able to catch up, and maybe in the end I will post the last days in August. We will see. I don't know if I want to post more days and videos other than 2 on each day of July now. Would you prefer in seeing a bunch of videos on the next few days, or should I spread them out a bit more and go into August? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear your input. What version would you prefer? I also have to see how quickly I can edit the other episodes but yeah, really wanted to hear what you would prefer. I'm just adding a bunch more different stars and everything, and the problem really is that, especially when you have a crafty hobby or anything that takes a lot of materials and things, and you always keep stuff to do something with in the further projects, so you have a bunch of materials alone you have to put into boxes and keep, and I also did declutter quite a bit. Yeah, and I can't wait to hopefully soon take you on the adventure of setting up a little art studio in my new place. It's the first time I really have the space to do so, and I thought it would be fun to take you all on the journey alongside with me. But we will see. I will start it, and I have to figure out how fast I can get to a point where it makes sense to make a video about it. But maybe let me know, would you prefer to have it a little series where I do different elements and posts throughout the process, or would you prefer one big setting up my art studio video somewhere down the line when everything is completed? Yeah, let me know which one you would prefer. I have a few ideas of DIYs I really want to tackle as well for the process, so this will be a whole new adventure coming soon. But first, let's kind of catch up with Junk Journal July. I know I said it in the last video a week ago. So sorry about the lack of uploads this week. It was just, life sometimes gets a bit crazy, I guess. And yeah, for now, I'm just happy to be back and editing again. I hope you enjoyed this little, very late creative session for the prompt of highlights. I'm really, really happy with how this spread turned out. I feel like it has a very grunge, cool girl vibe to it, and I'm really loving it. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really, really happy, and I hope you are still having fun with the Junk Journal July challenge. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.